Hello guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. Today I'll show you how to get long hair effect on TikTok. So when you open your TikTok app and try to search this long hair filter right over here. So you can see here all the accounts using this long hair effect. So how can we get that long hair effect on TikTok? So all you're gonna do here is go and download the Face app application. Then once you've installed this app, you just open this and try to have example right here. Now swipe it at the bottom and go here on the hairstyles, and we try to choose this one right here, as you can see. And then you have to save this one and tap on apply. And then right over here, you can see the GIF option. So you just choose that and select the GIF style that you want. So for this, I will choose this one. And to save this, you need to tap on other and wait for a few seconds while processing this photo. Then after that, you can see here on share option, you can see the TikTok right over here. So just tap on TikTok app and then go over to your TikTok app right here. You can see the filtered photo from your Face app. Then you can now tap next to upload this photo. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.